All time is valuable, but some time is precious. When it comes to the readiness of your aircraft, don't leave things to chance. The Collins Avionics Service Program gives you a simple way to cover the Collins Aerospace equipment on board your aircraft. With 3 different offerings, there's a CASP solution that's just right for you. No pre-inspection or buy-in fees, no usage penalties, 24/7 worldwide support. It's no wonder that 90% of CASP customers renew their contracts. Don't miss a thing with CASP.